This is the BF-UV6090 flatbed printer, widely used in advertising, tactile electronics, textiles, gifts, and packaging industries. Its triple height design allows simultaneous printing of color, whitening, and varnish. UV curing technology makes prints more vibrant and durable. With a 60 by 90 centimeters flat platform, it supports materials up to 16 centimeters thick.
The three Epson i3200 printhead ensure precision in every detail. During printing, the CCD vision system automatically detects with the material position and adjusts in real time to ensure perfect accuracy. Additionally, the infrared auto heat adjustment ensures the perfect distance between the printhead and the material, preventing clearance. After printing, we remove the finished product and take a look at this personalized printing magnet. The UV ink cures instantly, ensuring vibrant colors and durability. Every pattern is sharp and the colors are vibrant, perfect for customer orders. These printed magnetic materials can be turned into fridge magnets, advertising, crafts, and more. The BF-UV6090 helps high precision and efficient creative projects.
The ranges of glass, metal, wood, leather, and more. The Axis auto height detection adjusts in real time to prevent head collisions. Its high precision CCD visual positioning system allows accurate printing on different shapes and materials at the same time, greatly improving efficiency. This time, the printed gains merchandise along with other products in a single run. The vacuum table is made of aluminum with an added high-strength, wear-resistant surface, making it durable while firmly holding materials in place. The BF-UV6090 is perfect for personalized items like game merchandise, phone cases, and crafts, and is also widely used in industrial manufacturing and commercial decoration. Efficient, precise, and versatile printing.
Now our machine is equipped with rotary jig and is printing on cylinder. Before we start printing, we first use Z-axis to set right height and X-axis moves carriage left and right to make everything aligned. Then Y-axis moves platform forward and the printing begins. There is infrared auto height sensor. It automatically adjusts to material height to avoid head clearance. 他的呢？
Inkjet makes printing borderless.
Inkjet make printing borderless.